Hello Lancers, Miss Kenny here with a video to show you how to access free ebooks and audiobooks from the state library. This website here is called RB Digital, and the address is displayed at the top of your screen. It's iconct.rbdigital.com. And like I said, it's a free service from the state, and you've always basically had access to it, but if you haven't set up an account before, they've made it a little easier since all of these stay-at-home orders to get access. And there's a code right here you can use for an access code. I'm going to grab it right now. CT State Lib 20. Alright, so to use this website, the first thing you have to do is make an account. And you register here. I prefer to register on a computer, but please note that they have an Apple app, a Google Play app, and there's a Kindle Fire app here. You can use any of those. It should be a pretty similar process. So to register, you go here, and you will fill in all this information, and that access code will go here. So let me fill in the rest of the information like you would do. To accept. Alright, now I've already registered, so I can't do it again, but this is where you would click and then you would be registered to use the service. And then anytime you return to this site, you would have to sign in. If you're on a computer, if you're on your phone, it seems to keep you signed in for a good long length of time. I'm having a little trouble typing, that's okay. Alright, so it's your username, not your email, and your password. Sign in. Alright, now the way you use this site, you can go up here and search. There's a section for audiobooks and ebooks. You have to toggle between the two to search because they're separate searches. Or you can also start here, like these are all the Nutmeg books for this year. This is all of them from elementary up to high school, so you'll have to pay attention, make sure it's something you're interested in. Although some of these things do look very cute. So if you would like to check out a book, click on it. Now this one here is already checked out. You can tell that because there's a button here that says hold. If you want, you can put a book on hold, and you would get an email when it becomes available, and you can come back and check it out. You can download it to your device, so you can listen to things offline as well. So I have put that book on hold. Let's see if I can find one that I can actually check out. I might switch to an audiobook. But let me just go to the end. Maybe, oh, I went too far. I'll try this one. I know this one. Alright, so here we go. Here's one that I can check out. You just click, check out, and you have it for 14 days. And it gave me the link. Download it. Like I said, I prefer to do it on my phone, but if you want to do it on a computer, you can follow the directions on the website for download. When you're finished with it, you simply click return, and it goes back to the library. Like I said, after 14 days, it'll go back automatically. I just returned it now because I want to make sure it's available for other folks. If you want to see what you have on hold and things like that, you can click on the menu, the 3 bars, go to your account. And I'm going to go, I have this book on hold. I'm 6th in line. If you're like, I don't want to wait that long, then go look for another book. But that's where you can see how long you're on, what place you are in line. But you know what? I noticed that book, if I go back home, right below the ebooks, these are the audiobooks of the Nutmeg books. I can go here, and this one happens to be available. Personally, this one's pretty good in an audiobook because it's a lot of spoken word poetry, a lot of poetry slam kind of stuff, so it sounds good as an audiobook. Again, I've clicked on it, checked it out. I can play now, and on a computer this is what it does, but on your app you can download it for offline listening. It looks really long, but it's actually a pretty fast read because it's almost like poems for chapters. Anyway, enough about that. I hope you guys get a chance to try some of these resources this summer. You can, like I said, check out these books from the library. If not for you, maybe you've got siblings, parents. This is something anybody in the state of Connecticut can use. It's not just for high school students. So I hope you take the time to explore this site and find some useful resources here. And I hope you have a safe and happy summer. Bye, guys.